This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. All investments carry risk, so consult a financial professional before making decisions. Hey everyone, are you looking to start trading or investing in 2025 but not sure whether to go with OctaFX or Groww? One offers high leverage Forex and CFD trading across global markets, while the other one makes stock investing in India simple and beginner friendly. So in this video, we'll break down OctaFX versus Groww side by side to help you choose the platform that fits your goals, your style, and your strategy. So stick around till the end to find out which platform is right for you in 2025. So now let's start off with the OctaFX. So this is ideal for active Forex and CFD traders looking for low-cost trading and advanced platforms. So this offers high leverage, multiple trading terminals like MT4, MT5, and the C Trader, and also swap-free accounts. So this is best suited for short-term, technical, or algorithmic traders operating in global markets. So now let's go with the pros and cons. So for the pros, it tight spreads and it has zero commission. It also has like high leverage up to 1 to 500 rather. And then they also have the swap free accounts and supports MetaTrader plus CTrader, and it is good educational content. It has that. Now, for its cons is that it has limited Forex, indices, crypto, and CFDs. So there is no stocks or mutual funds. And also, it is less regulatory transparency than local brokers. And lastly, is that its support is not 24/7, only 24 and 5. So now let's move ahead to the Grow. So this is ideal for beginners and long-term Indian investors interested in stocks, mutual funds, and CIPs. So this is also user-friendly platform with zero commission on delivery trades and CEBI regulation or SEBI. And also it's great for those new to investing or managing wealth in India. So for its pros and cons is that for the pros, it has zero brokerage or on equity delivery. And the SEBI registered and secure. It is easy to use because it has mobile application and the access to US stocks, FDs, gold, and IPOs. It has all that. And it has strong educational tools also. For the cons, it's no leverage or advanced trading tools, no Forex or global CFD trading, and lastly is some users report app glitches. So which platform suits you best? OctaFX for fast-paced Forex trading, or Grow for long-term beginner-friendly investing. It really comes down to your goals. So, if you want to trade global markets with leverage and advanced tools, then you have to go with OctaFX. But if you prefer building wealth steadily with stocks and mutual funds, then you have to stick with the Grow. So let us know in the comments which one you're choosing and why. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights on trading and investing in 2025. Thanks for watching and happy investing. Bye!